Gilid.
Oh my God!
Dahil pa dito yung nagsakay ka sa ano, sa roller coaster tayo.
Ito talaga din.
Mabuti na lang nakainom ako ng gamot. Diyos ko, Mia talaga.
Oh my God!
Diyos Mia, Santissima.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ah, Diyos ko.
Hi, Dubai! Oh, this is not Dubai.
No more gas, brother. Alas, I will.
Oh my God!
Ham?
No petrol?
Ha?
Ah, where is the sangka? Ah, nawa nila, uy.
Hello! Woohoo! Enjoy the party! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo!
How much is one, brother? Brother,
How much is
how much the cost for this?
Yeah, I know this one because you remember Papa we went there with
It's
my
okay,
colleague.
maybe this
100.
one. Maybe
700.
12 people.
No, around 30 or 20.
Maybe buy this one.
Yeah.
Ah, kaya pala dami yung kanina na yung mga nakatilis na
Oh, sila yon. As you can see, guys, we are here in the middle of the ocean. Wow, ocean. Oh, it's amazing.
Dugay siya dam, no? Nice siya, no?
I like it.
Kani. Riz.
We enjoy.
Maganahan kaya kumangudani dyan.
Guys, that is the flag of UAE. Actually, guys, we have planned to go back here, but in that Tulu Island, we will do the camping. So we will stay for the whole night. Wow, we are here now. We're back. Yes, we are here na, guys.
Dugay guys, worth it.
Ha?
Worth it siya do. Ang tagal niya, worth it.
Yeah, worth it siya. We are here now.
May special na. I like that. Super duper.
You enjoyed that?
Super.
We too.
I release everything.
Release talaga lahat. See?
Kahit nga ang ulo ko kakasigaw eh. Baka nandun narinig ako ni Dugong.
It's so nice.
Ay, dati-rati tinitignan ko lang to lagi.
Day!
Pero experience ko na siya.
Day! Day!
Kasi nung last time naglulu is bangka man ang mong gisakyan.
Bigyan mo yan ng ano pa. Ay, binigay ko na pala, no? We are here.
Pag dahil mayaman man yan na sila eh.
Hindi, Day. Wala yun. Trabahante lang sila, Day.
Wala na, disco dito tayo mga inanang.
Ha? Oh, meron. Wow, we are here now.
Wow.
Yes. We're back. Yung ibang kabayan, di nila alam ang ganito. Siguro. See guys, we are here na. We're back. It's time to eat. My God, it's so nice. Maganda to lalo din pag morning. No, makita talaga ang view. Meron ako dyan, wait.
Picture ni Dave mo, nagbigay pa ng wala.
See? So we are here na guys.
Oh my God! We're here.
Yan na.
Ayan na.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Na. We're done. It's so nice. It's our boat. Doon na hilo-hilo ako ah. Now next. What is the next, Dai?
For ano?
How
For
much?
One night?
How much?
Maybe one night.
350 ah? Okay.
Abutan na lang ninyo.
We will come back here again.
Divide lang ninyo, no?
1 hour. Dapat 3 hour.
Ah, okay. Where?
Siya yung
We are so happy, guys. We have amazing experience. I will never forget. Oh, we're here. So this is the one. Rental boats. Yeah, there is another side. Okay, next day ko naman, Day. O, naka-video yan, ha?
Kaso hindi, ang laki ng ulo ko. Hindi magkasya.
Okay lang yan. Ay, sorry. Okay. Okay, next. Ako naman, Day.
Graduate lang ako sa
graduation.
ibigay mo yung...
Yan. Gaya naka-Adidas. Naku, may music. Okay, yes. Okay. What are you selling?
Bags. Luxury
Bag?
bags.
Okay. What's the name of your shop?
Walang name.
Walang
Ako
name?
lang may name. Alam mo yan.
Okay. Uy, may Michael Kors.
Yan, yan. Ito,
Original? Okay, let's go inside.
not original.
Not,
I-vlog kita para...
huwag ka na maggalgal ba kasi
Hindi ako original.
okay. Wow, this is amazing, guys.
Kabayan, punta na kayo dito sa sa Marina Mall.
Okay.
Abu Dhabi Marina Walk Festival.
Okay. And how much is the bag? How much is the bag?
It's different price.
Okay, example, the Birkin.
The Birkin 120.
Ay! I drop it. Wala bang tabi?
180.
Diba? Dapat may tabi. O, diba? Yes. Okay, let's go.
Okay na. Check na.
Check, guys.